So, hello guys. Have you ever wondered what is the difference between IoT, machine learning, and AI, artificial intelligence? So today, I'm here to put all that aside. Should I demystify the the word has gone off. By the way, I'm Joseph Okling. I'm a biomedical engineering student at Macquarie University, and welcome to the Manjo's Electro Health channel. So, what is IoT? The Internet of Things. So, Internet of Things is basically, let me first go back a step behind or a leap behind. So, what is Internet? So, Internet is basically, Internet was created, of course it started in the military and all that, but I'm not going to go into the history. Internet was basically designed in order to connect us human beings. So Internet was designed to connect us human beings. Then the Internet of Things has just come out. That is where we shall be able to connect our devices. Say you have connect your watch, your smartwatch, of course, this is an analog watch. In case you didn't know, this is an analog watch. You can connect your smartwatch to a phone, so, and plus your PC as well, maybe your tablet and so many other things, your fridge, your washing machine and everything else. So there are very many devices that can be connected to the Internet of Things, and you are going to be seeing this coming in the coming years, because devices, like, technology is growing so fast nowadays, especially in the medical field that we are in as medical engineers, and even the agricultural field and all that. So back to the point, Internet of Things. So we're differentiating between Internet of Things, machine learning, and AI, not so. So Internet of Things basically helps you connect your devices, not so. But through that ability, remember, we're using these devices. You're using your phone, you're using your watch, you're using your lappy and your tab and all that. So these devices can be able to give us information about how you use them. Maybe like your phone can be able to give us information about what sites you visit a lot. Maybe some of us use this for waking up and all that. So you can use this to tell the times you wake up, and your smartwatch, maybe like an Apple Watch. You can use an Apple Watch, in order to tell maybe the distance, your location, the distance you walk, your locations and all that. A lot of information can be collected. Let me say, in medical devices, maybe you can have maybe let's say they're using maybe a tablet or something to collect information. So every time they're entering a patient's name, everything, all that information, you can use the Internet of Things to collect that data. But then, what is AI? What is artificial intelligence? It's just intelligence that is artificial. Okay, so artificial intelligence is basically a machine reasoning out like a human. It's like a machine. It's intelligence. It's able to reason out, like it's able to come up with an opinion on. This is done even in the previous lectures. I don't want to go into the lectures, but like our professor was telling us about imaging, medical imaging, and they're able to use AI in order to track the movement of a needle inside the body. So through repeated, of course, like machine learning is a process of making a computer artificially intelligent. It's a process of giving it that intelligence. So first we have to teach it. That is machine learning. So they didn't just create the computer. They didn't just create the computer from nowhere, put the needle inside, and it was able to track it. So first you have to do it a repeated number of times under different conditions, different environments, and the computer basically learns to pick out those common things learns to pick out those common things, and so it's also learning. So as you keep, that's why computers are going to be better than human beings in certain things, like especially things that involve repetition and all that. So yeah, so Internet of Things, we're talking about our phones, watches, laptops, even cars are coming in. All that, all those tech devices being able to share information among themselves, where you can have your watch sending information to your phone sending information to your fridge, maybe to start working or to stop working, or you telling your air conditioner to start as you're coming back home using your phone. These are applications of Internet of Things. So Internet of Things can be used to collect data. Those devices that use Internet of Things can be used to collect data. This data can be used for machine learning, in order to teach your device, in order to become artificially intelligent. So when it is artificially intelligent, then it can be able to make or predict decisions, or whichever. So in certain cases you find that artificial intelligence actually beats human, because I don't know if you guys have watched this series. It's called what is it called? Grey's Anatomy. So you, in the first episodes, they're talking about new intern medical students being better at recognizing some, like, weird, let me just say diseases, recognizing some weird diseases, as compared to the old people that are experienced. Like when people, let me say, like when medics or doctors stay in the field for long, they tend to majorly have more information and do more research on cases that are common. Then the rare cases, as is always with us human beings, we tend to move into our comfort zone. So we tend to leave out the other rare cases. So you find that the new interns that have knowledge on the rare cases are the ones that come in and can be able to look out for such a case. So with AI, there's no such thing as comfort zone or something. So all you need to do is teach it, like, this condition, even if it takes 5 years before the next patient with the same condition comes in, but so long as it recognizes the pattern is the same, this, you have this, and this is the same, and this is, it can be able to say that probably it is this thing. So the medic or the doctor in charge will be able to know that, okay, since the machine has predicted that it could probably be this, it could maybe go and do some research on it and find out more information about that. Or maybe 20 years from now, AI will just be able to say this is the disease, and yeah, we shall just be able to say, yeah, that is the thing, because they've been trained enough, and there's a lot of data being collected nowadays. So I've ended up saying a lot, but I hope you guys have understood the difference between IoT, machine learning, that is ML, and AI, artificial intelligence. So if you've enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace out.